Welcome everyone, my name is Tim and today we're gonna take a look at a new distro. So what is it? It's Ubuntu. Um, so we're gonna give it 4 gigs of RAM as usual, 4096. Create a new virtual hard drive. No, hang on. Go back. Create a new. That's what I wanna do next. Create. Hang on. So that's about it. I'm gonna set some things up here. I'm gonna go into settings, system, processor, and give it 4 cores. And I'm gonna start it off. So we're gonna use Ubuntu 13.04, 64-bit, and I'm gonna start it. So as usual, we're gonna take a look at the installation process, what the operating system has to offer out of the box, what are the opportunities for installation later media, and that kind of stuff. And as you probably know, there's a lot of other distros that's been based off Ubuntu. And Ubuntu is one of the biggest, ubuntu.com. This is their website. So yeah, this is Ubuntu installation. Reminds a lot of other distros, but it's because those distros are based off Ubuntu. So we're gonna install Ubuntu. Install third party, thank you. MP3 and all that kind of stuff. Erase disk and install Ubuntu. Yes, install now. Where are you? Yes, I'm in Sweden. No, I do not have an English keyboard layout in Sweden. I do have a Swedish. Swedish. Continue. My name is Tim. We'll just go with password. Require my password login. Yeah. Continue. Yeah. So it's copying files, installing, and that kind of stuff. And I'm gonna tell you now, I have one distro I really want to take a look at because I've only heard good things about it, almost. As the only thing that's bad about it, I've taken a look at it, but I didn't get it working. It's Arch Linux. And the thing with Arch Linux is you basically get a command prompt when you install it, and that's how you're gonna install it, via commands. You don't have an user interface or anything. So once I get comfortable with that installation, I might put that up, but I think the review of the actual operating system is gonna come first. If I get it working. That's the thing. So yeah, the installation is pretty nice. You start off here, fast and full of new features. The latest version of Ubuntu makes computing easier than ever. Here are just a few cool new things to look out for. So, say goodbye to searching the web for new software. With Ubuntu Software Center, you can find and install new apps with ease. Just type in what you're looking for, or explore categories such as science, education, and games, alongside helpful reviews from other users. So yeah, the Ubuntu Software Center. That's been in a couple other distros. Here, their music player, Rhythmbox. Ubuntu comes with an amazing Rhythmbox music player. With advanced playback options, it's simple to queue up the perfect songs, and it works great with CDs and portable music players, so you can enjoy all the music wherever you go. Now, image stuff. Shotwell is a handy photo manager that is ready for your gadgets. Connect a camera or a phone to transfer your photos, then it's easy to share them and keep them safe. If you're feeling creative, you can try lots of photo apps from the Ubuntu Software Center. Included software is Shotwell Photo Manager, and then you have GIMP Image Editor, which is a alternative to Photoshop, and PTV Video Editor. I've never taken a look or heard of that, so sorry, can't say anything about it. Make the most out of Ubuntu with Ubuntu One. Ubuntu One is the single account to log into everything on Dropbox. Well, honestly, Ubuntu One is like Dropbox. Yeah, and they have the app for, it seems like iPhone, and I know they have it for Android. And it honestly works and is contained in Ubuntu. Duh. And from what I've seen, Ubuntu One is also integrated with the Ubuntu phone and the Ubuntu TV. So, let's go on. Ubuntu includes Firefox, the web browser used by millions of people around the world, and web applications you can use frequently, like Facebook, Gmail, for example. Can be pinned to your desktop for faster access, just like apps on your computer. Included software: Firefox web browser, supported software, Flash and Chromium. I've said this before, but I really don't know why I do this. On Windows, I use Firefox. On any Linux distribution, I use Chromium for some reason. Everything you need for the office. So yeah, Ubuntu includes LibreOffice. That's like Microsoft Office. Yeah, basically. And yes, this can save and read Microsoft Office files. Access for everyone. At the heart of Ubuntu's philosophy is the belief that computing is for everyone. With advanced accessibility tools and options to change language, color scheme, and text size, Ubuntu makes computing easy, wherever and wherever you are. Customization options, appearance, assistive technologies, and language support. Any questions? Check out askubuntu.com for answers to all your Ubuntu questions. There's a good chance your question will have been answered already, and if not, you'll find thousands of volunteers eager to help. For more support options, go to ubuntu.com/support. So, we're just finishing up the installation here. Come on. And yeah, my Skype froze. Awesome. Well, guess I'll just have to text her then. If I were to leave when she needs me more. Yeah. This wasn't going too fast actually. Well, yeah, Skype is up, but she's offline. Yeah, thank you. Installation is complete. You need to restart your computer in order to use the new installation. Restart now. So we'll go up here, CD DVDs. We're gonna remove the Ubuntu installation disk. I'm just gonna not maximize, minimize that one. The system is going to reboot now. Yeah, that would be helpful. Machine. Yeah, we'll just do a reset. Thanks. Now we should boot up into Ubuntu directly. I think the bootloader it's using is grub2. I'm not completely sure, but you have an option to install it alongside Windows when installing. Because I have used Ubuntu alongside my Windows machine for a long time, but I'm thinking on switching to Arch Linux because it seems really lightweight, just because you get just what you want. So yeah, this is your login screen. We're gonna type in password, our awesome password, and then we're gonna log in. And Ubuntu was really stable and fast before, but since they've been doing all kind of stuff with yeah, the Unity, and there's people who love and there's people who hate Unity. There's no one who actually is kind of in between. And I must say, I like some things about it, but I'm more to the hate side actually, because I always just hide the Unity toolbar thing here and place a dock. Anyway, we're gonna take a look at some features. So, customization, change desktop background. What can we do here? Appearance. It have some backgrounds. That seems nice. Now I'll just take that one. Oh, this one. Yeah, we'll keep that. And it comes with a few themes, as you see. There is software you can use to install more, but yeah. If we go back to all settings, you see we have everything any other distro of Ubuntu have, but we have Ubuntu 1 as well. And you can see now that it's quite slow. But it is running in a virtual machine. But actually, yeah, we already encountered a bug. Actually, Ubuntu is quite slow right now. So let's just go to google.com. So it uses Firefox, ubuntu.com. Let's see how help about it uses Firefox 20. Mozilla Firefox for Ubuntu Canonical 1.0. So let's close that. It uses Nautilus as file manager, and it uses, we can't see anything about Nautilus here. Authentication is required. No. It uses LibreOffice Calc. This is like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and Microsoft PowerPoint. So yeah, here's the Ubuntu Software Center. And yeah, I'm sorry I'm a bit off, but there's things happening. So you can find all kinds of stuff in here. Things that I love, I always install on my Ubuntu stuff is Compass. Compass settings manager. You can have kind of fun with that. It's a effect kind of thing, and you get more options for Unity with it. Chromium. You have whatever you like here. Chromium. You have Skype. I think. Oh, well. And you have Dropbox. You have all kinds of stuff here, and it's really nice actually. Ubuntu One Music, Amazon, but this is the dashboard. And you have calculator. You have these things down here are called lenses. So we have applications, files and folders, music, photos, and videos. You can install more lenses. I've seen lenses for like searching on Grooveshark, for example. Pretty neat, but it's really slow. So yeah, and yeah, that's about it for this OS. I think there's not a whole lot to go over. It have Unity, and as I said, they're kind of, but I mean, they had to come up with something new, because they're focusing on having the same UI on TV, phone, tablets, personal computers, laptops, you name it, because they want it to be united. And the only way they could do that is by doing their own UI, because KDE, well, KDE is someone else's work. You have XFCE, someone else's work. You have not Unity. Yeah, you have all these kinds of desktop environments, but they are not theirs. They do not have the full power to use that. But yeah, this was a quite short review, but I actually gotta go now. I'm sorry. So yeah, thanks for watching my Ubuntu 13.04 review. It's right now the 12th of March, the 2013. Yeah, so let's just shut down and see how it looks. So I got this kind of stuff shut down, and it will go ahead and shut down, hopefully. And Ubuntu is, I think, it's the most used operating system. Linux distro, sorry. But yeah, Pero's guide is coming. I've already recorded that. Just need to put it up. If it haven't come up yet, just tell me in the comments. Anyway, thanks for watching this, and yeah, bye.